Hey guys, welcome to the video. We are back with another unboxing. I've got two packages here. One is a silver order that I placed with JM Bullion, and the other is with Provident Metal. So stay tuned. I'm going to cut these boxes open and we're going to see what we got. All right guys, so we got our two boxes opened here. We have our Provident order right here. Oh, earthquake. Wait a second. Nope, it's just the cat on the bed. All right, we're gonna try this again. We got our Provident order here, and why start over? We're just gonna go with it. And our JM Bullion order right here. So first we're gonna take a look at this, and we got, let's see here. We got a 1/2 ounce silver round here, and I believe I added this to the order so I could meet the minimum $99 free shipping. So those are pretty cool. So we got a 1/2 ounce sunshine minting round right there. And let's see what else. Looks like we got here a little piece of paper in there. We have a 2020 Australian silver Philharmonic here. These are pretty cool. A lot of times, like this one here, the fields will have kind of like a proof-like finish. The Philharmonic here, actually, it's kind of like a matte finish, so it doesn't have that proof finish. So that's kind of a neat design, and a smooth rim there. Let's go ahead and pull that out. All right. Very thick and chunky piece of silver. All right, earthquake again. We'll just set that out. And then we've also got two of the silver Britannias, and these are, let's see, what year are these? These are also 2020. Go ahead and pull that out. Very cool coin. This has it's like a micro reeded edge. Really neat. And this is kind of a reverse proof. If you haven't seen these before. Very cool. The raised portions are the mirrored. And we'll grab that other one out of here as well. Same thing. Another 2020 British Silver Britannia. And one of my favorite coins here is the South African Silver Krugerrand, and another 2020. So all of these coins are brand new 2020. That's got a reeded edge as well. Very simple design. Awesome. So we'll set those there, and go ahead and pull this guy out just so he doesn't feel like he's missing out on the party. And so that was our Provident order. Then we have our JM Bullion order. And let's see, what do we got here? We've got a Canadian maple leaf. And we're sticking with the 2020. Year of 2020 theme here. Very cool. And we'll hold off on that for a second. And we have a tube of 1/2 ounce silver rounds, and it looks like we've got more of the sunshine minting. So I believe we have, this is a full tube of 20, I believe. So just more of that, but from a different vendor here. Awesome. And this is a brand new one to me. I have seen these before, but never purchased them. This is the, let's see, what are these? Not sure if I'm pronouncing this correctly. Niue or New. N-I-U-E. Somebody can let me know. And again, 2020. These are, this is the Athena Owl, stackable. Kind of like the Silvertown stackable. Reeded edge there. And this is an interesting field. It's like a hammered design there in the back fields, which is really cool. The eyes are kind of proof-like there. 1 ounce, 3/9 fine silver. And this one is for my personal collection. I have a silver round album, which I forgot to grab, so I'll grab that here in a second and we'll put that in. But this right here is just a full tube of this, and it looks like they sent us a flattened packing peanut. So this is just a full tube of the same thing. So we've got 21 total of those. Love the way that sounds. We'll just put all that right there. Alrighty. So lots of fun silver. Let's get this centered here. Maybe do a little zoom in action. And you may have seen this guy right here, just kind of floating around. This was not in either of those orders, but usually when I do a silver unboxing, I'll try and do a free silver giveaway. And this was an unclaimed silver giveaway from a previous giveaway that we did. It's a 1951 Washington quarter. So I thought, what the heck? It was sitting right here in arm's reach. Since nobody claimed it previously, we're gonna go ahead and try and give this guy away again. George, I'm so sorry. I don't know why they didn't want you. But we've got a 1951 out of Philadelphia here. So all you have to do is leave a comment down in the comment section to enter, and you can have a chance at winning this 1951 silver, 90% silver, George Washington quarter. All right, guys, that is it. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Wait a second, back up the truck. I said I was gonna get my silver round album to put one of these owl rounds in. I forgot to do that, so we gotta do that right now. So I ran downstairs and got this. I'm kind of out of breath. Very cool Dansko album here. It's got 9 spots per page. And we're getting this filled up a little bit. This is just for my one-offs. And since I do not have this one in here, that's why I ordered that extra one. So we're gonna find a spot for it right now. I'm gonna put it right there. Boom. How about that? Welcome to the family. And we can show off the back there as well. All right, so we're gonna try this again. Thanks for watching, guys. Now we'll see you in the next one.